dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning to grade 2s back at home. This is your teacher Belta. Welcome to our today's lesson. And before we start our lesson, remember that we have exam coming next week. So here we have our timetable for our exam, which we are going to start on date 9th of May. So on Saturday, that is next week, Saturday we'll be having English exam. Sunday we'll be having social study exam. Monday we have mathematics. Tuesday we have science. Then on Wednesday we have Arabic. That is for next week. Then the next week, that is the second week, on Saturday we'll be having Islamic. On Saturday next week is when you're going to have our Islamic. So as you watch the videos, remember the exam is coming. So start preparing for the exam. Now let's go to our today's lesson. And today, our lesson for today is social study, and we are going to learn about weather. We are still doing about weather. Remember last time we did weather and we said what is weather? We said weather is how the day looks like. We said the weather is how the days look. Then we said we tell the weather by using the weather symbols. We said the day can be either sunny, the day can either be windy, cloudy, calm, or rainy. So we also said when the weather is sunny, when the weather is cloudy, there is no sun in the sky. Then when the day is windy, the trees are moving. We can say when you go outside, you look, you find that the trees are moving from side to side. Then on a calm day, there is no wind. Now, today we want to look the effects of weather and what we wear. Now, when the weather is sunny, what do we wear? When the weather is rainy, what do you wear? So, effects of weather and what you wear. So, when we said weather changes and ways of dressing. The way you dress when it's sunny is not the way you're going to dress when it's rainy. So weather is how the day looks like. Weather keeps on changing and makes us dress in different ways. Now let's look at how when the weather is sunny. Now we know when the weather is sunny, it's very hot, it's shining. You go outside, you find it very hot. Now, on our sunny day, what do? We know very well on when the weather is sunny, we wear light clothes. So on a sunny day, the weather is very hot. People wear light clothes. The clothes you wear, you find that you're wearing that. You're not wearing the heavy clothes. The clothes you're wearing are very light. Also, people get dusty fast. That's the day you just say for a short time you feel like drinking water because you are dusty. The sun is burning you very much. So on a sunny day, we wash clothes and go swimming. This is the best day you cannot go and swim because now it's very hot. Animals look for shade under trees. Even the animals, they feel the sun. So when it's sunny, they'll go and sit under a tree for them to have that shade, for them to cool their bodies. So even as when it's hot, you find us we are sitting either on a shade, we are sitting either in the house, because outside you can't sit you can't sit out because it's very hot. Now, what kind of clothes we wear? These are type of clothes you find us wearing. You find the boys are wearing the vest. They have the shorts. They also have the t-shirts. Also, there are people who will wear the cape. You put on the cape to protect you from the sunburn. Maybe you're walking around, then you have the cape to protect you from the sunburns. So these are the clothes you find that you're wearing. You can wear the boys will wear the vest and the short. The boys also have the t-shirts, the shirts, and the cape. Then the girls will wear the light dress. The dress the girls wear, they are light. Now, Let's look what we wear on a rainy day. You know, when it's rain, it's very cold. So when it's raining, we use umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. You find that when you're going to school, you carry an umbrella to protect you from becoming wet, because now when you don't have an umbrella, you will be very wet. Your clothes will be wet, so you have an umbrella to protect you from the rain. So if you're moving from your house to the school, by the time you reach school, you're still okay. So you use an umbrella. We have the raincoat. The raincoat, you can use it also to protect yourself. You wear, maybe you're in the house, it's raining, so the weather becomes cold, so you need the jackets to keep you warm. We also need the gumboots. These ones, the gumboots protect your feet from maybe stepping on dirty water, and also to keep your feet warm. If you're walking, you need the gumboots maybe to protect you from the running water. You know, the running water is very dirty, so you need the gumboots to protect you, to protect our feet. So these are the things you need when it's raining. And also the clothes you wear when it's during the rainy day, you use the heavy clothes. Maybe the jackets, the heavy sweaters. Now there you not have to wear the vest because it's raining, it's cold. You don't have to wear the vest. Now you have to wear the jackets. So we also say, on rainy day it's very cold, so we wear heavy clothes to keep ourselves warm. If we get rained, now if you say it's raining and you start playing in the rain, you don't protect yourself, you might become sick if you get rained on. So if we get rained on, we might get sick. Now if it rains, you find that the roads are muddy. Moving from one place to another, even the vehicles cannot move. Why? Because the roads are muddy. So when it rains, the road becomes muddy. And also say, a lot of rain causes flood. What are the floods? The floods, you find out everywhere it's covered with water. So when it's rain, a lot of rain will cause the floods, which destroys the floods can destroy the house, can also kill animals and destroy the crops in the farm. So these are the effects on a rainy day. We also have cloudy days, and you said cloudy days there is no sun. So how is the day? The day it's cold because there is no sun. So on cloudy days are always cold. So what we wear? We will also wear the heavy clothes. We wear the clothes like the heavy jackets. You put on the jackets, you put on the sweaters. You use the gloves to keep your hands warm. So cloudy days, we wear heavy clothes. On windy days, some windy days are cold because now the way the wind is moving, it might be cold. So on windy days, some days are cold. So when do you do on the cold days? You wear heavy clothes. Wind blows the dust, which causes pain in our eyes. Now you see the wind is blowing everything, so there is a lot of dust in the air. So those dust can enter our eyes. So what do? We use we wear goggles to protect dust from reaching you use the specs to protect your eyes from the dust. The dust will not enter your eyes, so you'll not be affected.